And away from that, coffee farmers took a beating yet again in August as the value of coffee traded at the Nairobi Coffee Exchange dropped by 23.4% to about 10 billion shillings despite a marginal increase in the volume sold. The decline in value was occasioned by a 25% drop in the average price from 21,500 shillings to 16,100 shillings per 50 kilogram bag. The volumes traded increased by 2% to 556,000 in August 2019 compared to a similar period in 2018. The performance in the market has been brought about by increased production levels of the beverage caused by higher volumes in Brazil.